Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject, chapter number 18, Games We Play. In our previous video, we have started some additional exercise of this chapter, okay? So today we will continue this exercise, okay? Question number 5, answer the question. First one, what are indoor games? So the answer is the games that we play inside a building or a house are called indoor games. Now second one, what are outdoor games? So the answer is the games that we play outside a building in open space are called outdoor games. Third one, name 5 indoors games. Which are the indoor games, students? It's a chess, ludo, carom, snake and ladders and video games. Now fourth one, name 5 outdoor games. Which are? So the answer is cricket, football, kabaddi, badminton and hockey. These all are outdoor games. Now fifth question. What is the importance of playing games? So the answer is games help us to relax. It is good exercise for mind and body and it keeps us fresh and active. Now sixth one. Which game were the children playing in the society? In the lesson, students, the children were playing hopscotch in the society, right? Okay, now I will explain you paper style of your in test 4, which is start from 15 March, okay? Let's see. Your syllabus is lesson number 14, 15 and 16. And your paper style, question number 1, select the correct option. Question 2, fill in the blanks. Question 3, match the following. Question 4, write true or false. And question 5, answer the following. Which is comes from additional exercise of all this chapter. Chapter number 14, 15 and 16, which I already gave you. Okay. Now let's start with the new chapter. Chapter number 19, our friends. The chapter is all about animals. The children in the class were started on hearing the sound tuck. The sound came from the ceiling fan. Kalyani shouted, "Look, look, a bird is hurt." Peter got up at once and picked up the bird. It was in pain. Navjot and Harbhajan quickly brought water in a bowl. Peter lovingly petted the bird. They held the bowl to the bird's beak. It drank a little water and slowly started flapping its wings. Navjot told all the children to move back. They noticed that the bird was trying to fly. In a while, the bird flew away. Next day, the children saw a bird circling above them in their classroom. The children tried to find out whether it was the same bird that was hurt the previous day. They quickly switched off the fan and started to clap. Now recollect and write. Put the sentences in the correct order. So you can see here, students, the sentences here are not in correct order. So we have to sequence them based on the story. Okay. So let's see. The first event that happened was the bird hurt itself with the fan. It is the first event. So we marked it with 1. Okay. Now the next event. Which is the next event, students? Based on story. It's a Navjot and Harbhajan quickly bought water in a bowl. It is the next event which was happened in a second. Okay. So we marked it with 2. Now the third event. Which is the third event? It's a Peter lovingly petted the bird. So we have to write here 3. Then the fourth event. It is the wrongly marked. Here 4 comes. 4 will come. The bird flew away. It's a fourth event. Now the next. Which is rest? This one. The children saw a bird circling in their classroom. Now the next, Shankar's cat. Shankar was very happy. A cat had given birth to 4 kittens in the courtyard of his house. He started spending his free time with them. One morning, Shankar was woke up by the cat's cry. He ran towards the courtyard. He saw that the cat was crying and cuddling its 3 kittens. One of the kittens was missing. He went outside and found Malini petting a kitten. Shankar called Malini into his courtyard. Malini saw the cat crying for her kitten. Think and tell. What do you think Malini would have done? So the answer is Malini would have taken the kitten to its mother. How does the cat sound? How does the cat sound, students? It's a meow meow, right? So a cat meows. Third question. Which animals do you like? Why? So I like dogs because dogs guards our house. So it is known as a faithful animal. So now ask this question to yourself and write your own answer here. Now Minu's cow. Minu has a cow. Her name is Ganga. Minu takes Ganga to the field to graze daily. One day, a speeding scooter hit Ganga and hurt her leg. The wound was bleeding heavily. Wound means injured part. Okay. Now think and tell. What would people in Minu's family do? So what they have to do? Minu's family would wash Ganga's wound with water and put medicine on the wound. Okay students, so with this sentence we are going to put our video over here. Now memorize additional exercise of chapter number 14, 15 and 16 for your unit test 4, and also write question 5 of chapter number 18, games we play. Okay, it is your homework. Thank you.